This just moved real quick. What just happened right now? Boom, 15% on NNE. We talked about this and uploaded a video on this one as well, talking about how it had this little support zone here and spoke about how important it was that they issued that offering, which was bearish in general, right? And they said, hey, we're going to sell 400 million shares in a private placement. And then the people who were buying those shares said, no, wait, we want 600 million. It was oversubscribed, which tells you that hedge funds and big money or private placement, so anyone who's in big money, private placement, family offices, whatever, they wanted more shares of this company. So yes, an offering is bearish because it's diluted. It's diluting your current holdings, which is why you saw some sell-off here. But if there's some sort of specific news like that where it says, hey, this was an oversubscribed offering, that means their demand is higher than they anticipated. And trading is just about supply and demand. So demand for this name was intensely high that it caused, again, a little bit of a sell-off here because we're diluting the stock. But people wanted to own shares of this company in this range. So why wouldn't you? Big money. Private placement money wanted to own shares of this company at a 50% premium than they were willing to sell originally. Why would you not buy shares? Options, I get it. But why would you not buy shares? I know the high volume looks scary, but with the proper risk here, this was a beautiful setup and something that you guys can learn about. When you read an offering, you have to read the language of the offering, because an offering in general is bearish typically, or definitely short term, because the company's trying to raise money by diluting their current shareholders. That will drop the share price, because guess what? If you own a share right now, it's worth less than it was the previous day. However, the type of offering and what is said during that offering is very crucial, because it can lead to success like this, especially if you're not exposed to that name, or if you're already exposed, maybe getting more exposure because of that. So NNE is looking very solid here in the near term. Now, again, this is a little bit more of a momentum trade, but with that kind of backing here, this is one you could ride a little bit. You break this recent high, which I believe is the all-time high, so correct me if I'm wrong. Yep. You break this all-time high, this thing might have legs. You could slap a stop loss on here. You're already riding about 50% up roughly from my entry, and you can just ride till the wheels fall off. Love it.